Hi everyone, I'm Ildi Lipinski. I'm the author of the Strange Worlds travel agency Adventure in the Floating Mountains. Now, while I like to write my stories all in prose, my favourite thing to read is actually comics and graphic novels.
I actually have more comics and graphic novels than I do other books on my bookshelves. But how do I know which books to choose when there are so many different kinds?
When I'm picking a new story to read, I always want to have an ordinary person having an extraordinary time. So this might be something like a fantasy story where you've got ordinary kids going into a world of magic, or it could be about some characters who are definitely not humans but are going on an adventure anyway, or it could be a kind of real life adventure. It might not be magic at all. It might be a big, scary kind of adventure when you're a grown-up.
Whatever I read, I want to escape into another world.